Hello students, today we are going to start with the new point which is types of tournament. There are four types of tournament which is first knockout or elimination tournament, second league or round robin tournament, third combination tournament, and fourth challenging tournament. Now, let's begin with the knockout or elimination tournament. In knockout tournaments, the team which is defeated once gets eliminated. Only the winners continue taking part in the competition. A knockout tournament is divided into successive rounds. Each team plays in the at least one match per round. The winner of the first round advances to the next higher level. In the end, the number of teams and matches comes to a minimum. In the final round, there will be only two teams and one will be the overall champion of the tournament. In other words, a knockout tournament is a competition involving multiple matches, each involving a subset of competitions, with the overall tournament winner being determined on the basis of the combined result of these individual matches. They are common in sport where each match must involve a small number of competitors, often precisely two. Such tournaments allow large number of compete against each other in spite of the restriction on numbers in a single match. Flowchart of tournament. There are four types of tournament. First, knockout tournament, league tournament, combination tournament, and challenging tournament. It divided into four types of tournament. League tournament. First, single knockout tournament, consolation tournament, double knockout tournament, Bagnall Wild elimination tournament. League or round robin tournament. It divided in two types of tournament. Single league tournament, double league tournament. Double league tournament divided into three methods with cyclic method, tabular method, staircase method. Third tournament, combination tournament. It divided into four types of tournament. Knockout come knockout tournament, knockout come league tournament, league come league tournament, and league come knockout tournament. Last tournament, challenging tournament. It's divided in two tournament, ladder tournament and consolation tournament. Now let's understand the advantage and disadvantage of knockout tournaments. Advantage of knockout tournaments. Cheap to organize. First point. As we know that number of teams keeps on decreasing with the increase in rounds. So these tournaments are cheaper or economical to organize. Standards knockout tournament works on the principle of either win or gets eliminated and there is no second chance to any team. So team tend to give their best to win the tournament. Next point is time saving. Due to less number of matches, knockout tournament require less time to complete. Our next point is less officials. Owing to less number of matches, the officials required for the matches will also be less. Now let's start with the disadvantage of knockout tournaments. First point, good teams may be eliminated at beginning. It could be possible that due to some reason good team also get eliminated in an earlier round. Our next point is lack of interest. Due to the elimination of good team in beginning rounds, spectators tend to lose interest in remaining rounds. Our next point is increase of stress. Fear of defeat makes even a good team feel psychological depressed. I hope you are listening this video carefully and make your notes of this topic in your